Football feels unpredictable. 90 minutes of chaos decided by a rogue bounce, a deflection, or a sheer moment of luck. But what if the game was never random at all? This is the story of how statisticians uncovered hidden patterns in football and how numbers quietly began to outsmart chance. The first statistically rigorous models to predict the outcome of football matches was developed in 1982, when a researcher from the University of Sheffield realised the problem wasn't the math, it was the perspective. If you look at every team together, the data looks random, but if you look at individual team strengths, a pattern emerges. He thought of one match as a series of attacks. There are many opportunities to score, but the probability of any one attack succeeding is tiny. This is called a Poisson distribution. His model focused on working out the expected goals scored in a match by modelling every team by their attacking strength and defensive weakness. This model was strengthened in 1997 when researchers Mark Dixon and Stuart Coles added recent form to the model, where a team's attacking and defensive strengths change over time. So older match results were exponentially downweighted so that recent performances had more influence on distant ones. They also realised that tactics change within a match. For example, if a team scores early, the other often becomes more attacking. This caused the model to predict fewer draws than actually occurred, so Dixon and Coles' model slightly boosts draws. They used their model in the football betting market to try and find any inefficiencies. Using data from 6,629 matches, they hunted for good bets, which are matches where the model's probability of an outcome was significantly higher than the bookmaker's odds. They saw a positive expected return when their ratio of the probability of the outcome to the bookmaker's probability was greater than 1.1. It turns out chance doesn't dominate the game, the numbers do. From researching these papers, I've tried to develop my own model. I based it on the 1982 paper, but adding factors like recent form and boosting the draw odds from the 1997 paper. You can check my shorts for more information on how I developed this.